Heritage Day is a day where we celebrate the heritage of Norland, but also incorporating that with all the work that we've done over the last 3 years.
Today I've been setting up my Heritage Day project with my group, and we concluded having a garden of growth, which shows how Norland soil has made us the nannies we are.
The display that we're setting up today, we're using a market theme, and we've sort of put all of our projects that we've worked on throughout the 3 years as if we were selling it.
Our display is called Up, Up and Away. So we've got a bit of a hot air balloon theme, sort of replicating what we always see in Bath.
I'm really excited about tomorrow and kind of showing friends and family all of the work that we've done, and for them to see all the other displays as well will be really nice.
Tomorrow is going to be really enjoyable, recognising all our achievements over the last 3 years. So the announcement of Bake Off, as well as the Principals Award, which will be really exciting, and performances from the choir.
Heritage Day has been amazing, and it's been just so wonderful to see all the students' work on display over the last day, and it's been really special to welcome my mum and dad here, especially because my mum's a Norlander herself, so to have kind of completed my 3 years training many years after she completed her training is just such a wonderful and really proud moment for myself.
Words can't really describe how proud we are of our daughter. She has totally excelled herself, and the fact that she's going to continue the Norland name in our family is everything.
I'm incredibly honoured to have received the Principals Award and to have all the work of the past 3 years be recognised. It's such an honour to receive the award today.
So winning the best display is obviously very special. I'm very proud of what we've done, and it's a highlight of the day, to be honest, winning that one.
My 3 years at Norland have been amazing. They haven't been perfect, there's been highs and lows, but I think it really just proves that we can all fulfil our motto, strength in adversity, and we've been able to show that and shine through our 3 years here. And I've loved the friends I've made, and the support I've had over my time here training has just been absolutely incredible, and I wouldn't have changed it for the world.
Reflecting on the 3 years is quite difficult. It's been a complete whirlwind of a journey, but it's been absolutely incredible. I'm super excited for NQN, a little bit nervous and sad to leave Norland, but I'm ready for a new challenge and an adventure wherever it may take me.